What's up guys, this is Bright Science YouTube channel. Today we are back with another video with another interesting questions for you. Today we have taken the topic about fevers. In this topic we will be discussing about three most important questions to be answered. The first question is that why do we get fevers? Secondly, we will see is fever good or bad for our health? Third and finally we will see about how can a fever be treated. So let's get started. A fever is a sure sign that our body is fighting with something and likely needs some medicine. Human beings have a normal body temperature of about 98 degree Fahrenheit. But if an upward temperature from that of 98 degree Fahrenheit, that means you may have fever. Our body temperature is regulated by a part of our brain and that is called hypothalamus. And this part is located in the center of our brains. And one thing you have to remember that this part of our brain is responsible for the changes in temperature of our body. The hypothalamus is like thermostat of our body. It tracks the changes of our body temperature and send the message to all the different parts of our body, and that is to keep it at the proper temperature. Now the most important part of our topic and the question is what causes the fever. This is just happened because of invention of germs such as bacteria and many different type of viruses. Germs can be cause certain chemicals to enter our bloodstream and that is by making you feel ill. When the hypothalamus detects these chemical changes in our blood, it communicates with the rest of our body to set our thermostat to a new higher position. For example, as our normal body temperature that is 98 degree Fahrenheit, our hypothalamus might tell our body to raise its temperatures to about 102 degree Fahrenheit. But there is no fun to have fever. This is obvious thing that no one like to be in fever. Rising our body temperatures helps to fight the germs by making us sick. But there is one thing that can be happening in this time that is by making our body less comfortable place for them. That is why we got in higher body temperature. After getting fevers, you may often shiver a bit at first. And shivering is actually one of the ways that our body uses to create more heat to get a higher body temperature, and that is which is setting up by our hypothalamus, which is responsible for the changes in temperature of our body. Now the question is how and why our body temperature back to the normal. The answer is after taking the right medicines which is recommended by our doctor, our body is able to fight back to the all germs and our hypothalamus system will reset the body temperature that is back to 98 degree Fahrenheit. And because of that, one can likely to begin sweat more and more. And that is because our body uses the process of perspirations to help you cool down, and that is by setting of the correct temperature to our body. Fever in very young age can be very dangerous. Extremely high fever that is about above 104 degree Fahrenheit in children case might need doctor's help. Now comes the good side of the fever. One thing is clear that no one like to be in fever, and then why we care about the benefits of it if we don't like it. But there are some benefits of having fevers. The first one is that a fever can help our body to fight off the infections, and a fever can also kick our body immune system to a higher one. If you are in fever, you should drink a lot of fluids, and that is because our body heats up with a fever and it can be easily become dehydrated. So be sure to include plenty of fluid, also some extra rest as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you guys learned something from it, and to contribute a big support to us, to make sure to subscribe our channel and never forget to share with your friends. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.